Ooh, silky right now. We got that line work geometry. It was good. It's been a minute. Wait, what'd you say? Yeah, I got a haircut. Yeah, it was good. I didn't say anything. Huh? Nope. I didn't say anything. You dare me to go get a number? I literally said nothing. I go get a number. Think I might start wearing tighter shirts. Wait, you talking to me? Hey, do you ever feel like you're just better than everyone? Nah, cause see, it wasn't even like that. She didn't even see the text. The text said red. You good? You alright? What's good? You already know what time it is, and I'm back with the fresh cut though, okay? If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know what this is about. The Japanese art form, Kintsugi. Let me go ahead and pull up the definition for you guys. Kintsugi is the Japanese art of putting broken pottery pieces back together with gold. A metaphor for embracing your flaws and imperfections. That's what I'm talking about. It just adds so much value to something that you might just see as one-dimensional, just a piece of art, but there's so much more, and that goes for all forms of art. I wanted to put that into a custom shoe. Hopefully you guys like that. Hopefully you enjoy this video. It's one of my favorite customs that I've done, and I say that too often, but it's true. I'm never lying when I say that. So yeah, we better get into that, and hey, I got something for you guys. Stick with me. We're gonna have a giveaway coming up, okay? Because look, we hit 1K, and I didn't really do much for it yet, and I know you don't got to, but I want to. I want to get back to you guys for messing with me, and I think you guys deserve something back. I'm gonna give you guys a good pair, whatever you want, whatever I decide, you know. But still, we'll see what it is. Maybe a little something else, I don't know. I'm excited about it. I give my stamp of approval for the shoe. Let's get into it. Alright, so now that we got all the prep work out the way, you're gonna want to get an X-Acto knife, some sort of blade, whatever you can use to cut, and you're gonna want to cut out the marks, the break marks, out of the Nike swoosh. And there's no wrong way to do this. You can decide however you want the Nike swoosh to be broken apart. That's part of the fun, and it will add to the character of the swoosh. So when you're making your cuts in the Nike swoosh, you're going to be hitting some of the stitching, and you're going to get some frayed stitching. What I do to get rid of that is just use a little nail clipper. Once you got your swooshes done, this is where it's all gonna come together. This is where it starts. You're gonna go ahead and get your gold paint with Bruno Mars 24 karat, okay? We're painting in those cracks that we just made. I'm gonna keep it classic, trying to do that black and gold. You can't go wrong. Now that we're done filling in the crack parts with gold, we're going to be filling in the rest of the Nike swoosh. I got a little bit of white paint and went ahead and made some white lines down the Nike swoosh and tried to blend them in with my finger a bit, and I did the same thing with the darker blend of gray. The last little touch is just to get a very dark gray and put little dots all along the swoosh. Custom. I really enjoyed doing this one. That added meaning with the Japanese art form of Kintsugi really did it for me. Hopefully you guys learned something. Maybe you didn't know what Kintsugi was. Maybe you just like the way the custom looks. Or you thought it was butt ugly. Either way, you made it to this part of the video, so thanks for watching. But if you liked it, if you enjoyed it, I appreciate you guys. And remember, I got that giveaway coming for you guys, okay? So stick around, stay tuned for the next one, for the next episode. Alright though, I'm gonna see you guys next time, okay? Okay?